Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can apply for a quick cash loan on Union Bank. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So guys, first of all, open up a preferred browser on your phone and search for Union Bank and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the homepage of Union Bank's website. Inside the website, scroll down and select loans. After that, it will ask you to select the loan type, auto loans or maybe home loans or quick loans. Anyways, select quick loans and now a new page will open up containing the major and essential steps to require the loan. Now to apply for a cash loan, you can just fill out the online form, submit it, and then wait for the approval. And that's how you can apply for a quick cash loan on Union Bank. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.